On the day of Qiyamah, the most difficult day, there will be no shade except the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But 7 category of people will be under that shade. First, just ruler. A ruler who ruled with justice. Second, a person whose heart is attached to a mosque. Third, a young person who grew up and raised with the ibadah and worshipping of Allah. A fourth, a man who refuses a woman beautiful, calls him for the haram relationship. Fifth, a man gives charity with his right hand with so secrecy that his left hand doesn't know. 6. 2 men love each other and comes together and departs for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. 7th, a man remembers Allah in isolation, loves remembrance and fears, and with the fear his tears comes. Those 7 category of people will be under the shade of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.